नंबर 2 माननीय सदस्य दिलाला लोबो
पास सॉरी पार्लमेंटातून हे पास झाले आणि पार्लमेंटातून बिल पास झाले.
Fear and anxiety in the minds of locals from Siolim constituency as there is shortage of staff in the drinking water department such as supervisors, valve operators, laborers. The steps the government intends to take and the time frame within which the vacant post will be filled. Electricals 1, supervisor 2, pump attendant operator 7, plumber 3 आणि laborer 9, altogether 22 short.
So हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता आमच्या ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टराक आनी तुमकां सोसायटी अंडर ते लेबर घेवपाचे आहा ते वेगाच्या वेगान घेवचे आनी आमकां रिस्पायट दिवचो.
But आम्ही advertisement केल्लो आसा आणि once that recruitment is done we will place the required staff in there.